Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing good. It's Sunday today and I'm going out on an event. Dee, are we excited?
Yeah, I'm super excited.
Me too, even though we are running a bit late.
No, not bit. We are late because we have to be there
I mean,
by 3,
it's just
but it's
that,
already 2.
but then the event timing, it was from 12 to 3, so obviously we can go
Makes
anytime in
sense, yeah.
between though, right?
Makes sense.
So, yeah, we're super excited. Let's see how it's gonna go. Let's go.
Let's go.
So I'm Vikas. We kind of own this concert.
Okay.
Yeah. And thank you so much for coming.
Absolutely.
Have a look around if you guys want. So it's mostly street food that we do. Yeah.
Yeah.
We cover mostly Mumbai and Delhi. That's where we are concentrated.
Right. The Baileys, is it?
One is aloo tikki chaat and one is chaat papdi.
I've got a lot of sadness, you guys. I'm like, kya khaun, but it's so good. Like literally Delhi and Mumbai wala street food. Well, this is my outfit and I can barely walk. Obviously, thanks to these heels. But yeah. God, finally done. It was such a long day, you guys. My stomach is full. I had so much and I'm super tired now. Anyway, come. Guess what? I've changed my footwear, guys. That's because I'm done with the event, obviously. And अभी मैं दी के साथ डॉलरामा आई हूँ. So कुछ specific नहीं लेना है, but हम ऐसे ही बस explore कर रहे हैं कि कुछ तो मिल ही जाएगा. I don't know why we are getting what we are getting, but then we are getting something, right?
Right.
Do you know why are we getting all
I don't
these
know,
stuff?
bro. But it's unnecessary stuff.
Let me show you what all have we got so far. नहीं यहाँ से paintings तो नहीं लेनी please, but yeah, this is what we have got so far. Like literally. Done with Dollarama का बहुत सारा सामान, right?
It's so hot.
That's our back seat full of Dollarama
So
का
hot.
I don't know what stuff, but yeah. It's always hot for you.
Oh, I can't tolerate it.
Hari, hari, hari.
What a piece of body, girl. How will you get it from?
Hum to deje hari.
Now find your entrance. Ram, pa, pa, pam, pam.
Hari, hari, hari.
What a piece of body, girl. How will you get it from?
Hum to deje hari.
Girl, let me in. Why?
Well, we are finally home, you guys. अभी बस अपने driveway में ही बैठे हुए हैं. And we got this from Starbucks. It's strawberry acai with lemonade. It's a refresher. And it's really nice. I'm pretty sure Tim Hortons से काफी try किए होंगे refreshers, but this one is a bit different. So good. I don't know when was the last time I opened this store. Now I'm a little scared to do anything. Okay. Okay, that's automatic. I guess it's this one. It's the blue one, right? I'm not sure. I know, but I'm just not sure. Okay, so we figured it out. It's the blue one, and I'm gonna put in that water, whatever we call it, water fluid or water outfit. Not water wash. This all season windshield wash, yeah. Let's do it.
She's saying it's spilling.
What do you mean spilling?
I don't know. So are you gonna empty the whole bottle?
I don't know.
You can just fill it to the top. I don't think it'll take the whole bottle.
It's almost done. The bottle.
Well, as you all would have watched my previous vlog, my mom and dad are here. So now my mom, Dee, and I are going to get our nails done. Mom, show us your nails. So we are gonna get our nail extensions done. Mama ka pehla time hai. Are you excited?
Yeah.
First time you're gonna get your nails done?
Yeah.
And here we are at our favorite nail salon. It's in Lakeshore. Nails for you. This one is really good, you guys. हम हमेशा यहाँ पे आते हैं. Okay, so Mama is going for almond shape, and we're yet to decide on color, right, Mama? बोलिए ना कुछ तो.
Lavender color.
Lavender color, ठीक है. So हम lavender color करा रहे हैं mom के लिए, and for me, we are yet to decide. And Dee is pretty occupied there. Okay, so like we said, mom is going for lavender color, which looks so pretty. And I'm going with the yellow one. Dee is yet to get her nails done, and she's gonna go for light pink. And Mama has gone for lavender color. You like it? It's super hot today, you guys. Like seriously, heat warning aa rakhi hai. And then because we were so hungry, so we had gone to Shambhala Kitchen. Even though laughing chahiye thi jo nahi mili, but still we had, you know, other things, fries and stuff. And now we are just gonna go to Dollarama again. But seriously, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है आज. Here we are, Dollarama it is. क्या क्या ले रहे हैं हम ये? This is what we are getting. ऐसे है वैसे तो हम Dollarama. We don't need anything specific here, but हाँ ये अच्छा है.
बाद में आएंगे ना इसे लेने तो.
Done with Dollarama. Okay, show me your nails, guys.
I got
Pink.
baby pink.
Mommy got,
She got
lavender.
Oh.
No, lavender. And I've got yellow, dirty fellow. Let's go. Alright, so now we are at Dixie Outlet Mall, you guys. Finally with Dad. अभी डैड पहले नहीं आए थे. आज बहुत गर्म हो रहा है ना पापा जी? लगा था कि इतना गर्म होता होगा कैनेडा में. बिल्कुल भी नहीं. बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म हो रहा है. So thank God आज हमने ऐसा कोई प्लान नहीं बनाया कि हम बाहर जाएं. बट हम मॉल ही जा रहे हैं या नेल एक्सटेंशंस कराने गए थे. सो ऐसे अंदर वाले ही जा रहे हैं. And now we are just checking if you know we can get something from here. So we shopped a bit, got a few things, and now we'd be on our way home. You happy with the shopping, Mama?
हाँ बेटा.
हाँ बेटा.
Me too.
You too? Okay, good. It's 8:51 p.m. you guys, and like I said, heat warning है literally यहाँ पे. And बस we are on our way to home now. So मम्मा आपको टॉप नहीं मिलाना जो चाहिए था? कोई नहीं, फिर से आएंगे. पापा जी
सब मिल गया मुझे.
सब मिल गया. अभी और भी लेना है वैसे. We are yet to do more shopping, but धीरे धीरे.
मुझे टॉप्स लेने हैं.
कोई नहीं, लेंगे. Okay, so we are quickly gonna show you our outfit of the day because clearly नहीं दिखाया है. So there we go. This is my outfit of the day. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but this is what it looks like. Dad's wearing all black today, and he looks so good. Mama, come. Purple. Oh, pretty. Okay, bye. Let's go home. Ready? Ready. Okay. Hanji. Guys, you missed Dad's reaction कि ये $75 each के हुए. Would you like to say something now, sir? Now that you have a chance.
Yeah, it's too much expensive here, man, to get the things. So yeah,
Too much money.
yeah, it's too much money.
Okay, so कार के last 2 टायर की प्रेशर काफ़ी कम है. That's why we came here. But कुछ तो इशू है इस टायर में, तो जा ही नहीं रहा है ये. Anyway, we'll move on to the next टायर. But clearly इस टायर का कुछ तो कराना पड़ेगा. This is how it works. आप यहाँ पे पे करो and then जितना भी टाइम होता है उतने तक आप यूज़ करो to fill like pressure in your tire here. स्टेफनी घर पे होनी चाहिए but I'm not sure. But anyway guys, हमारे राइट रेयर वाला टायर गया तो इसमें प्रेशर बहुत ज़्यादा कम है. आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ यू कैन सी, बट काफ़ी दिख रहा है कि बहुत कम है प्रेशर. अभी टायर ऑब्वियसली चेंज ही कराना पड़ेगा बिकॉज लास्ट टाइम एक बार पहले भी मैंने कुछ तो करवाया था. मैं लेकर गई थी एक बार मैकेनिक के पास, बट इस बार विल नीड अ न्यू टायर.
जरूरी नहीं है, कोई क्या पता नोजल में कोई दिक्कत हो उसके, ऐसा कोई
नहीं, बट इसी वाले का तो खरा कम है ना.
कोई बात टायर खराब होता है, टायर से कोई मतलब ही नहीं इससे.
ओके
टायर तो टीयर होता है, टीयर वियर होता है.
ओके, ये भी ब्लैक हो गया पूरा. बट एनीवे, लेट्स go to Walmart now. It's gonna be a long day, you guys. We are finally at Walmart and it's 9:30. Let's see when are we gonna get home. मेरा सारा ध्यान तो मॉम के नेल्स पे ही जा रहा है. They look just so pretty and my mama looks pretty too. अभी पापा जी बोले थे कि ज़्यादा सामान नहीं लेना होगा तो क्या ही करना है साथ में यू नो ऐसे कार्ड लेने का. अब क्या हुआ? हाँ, अब क्या हुआ? बोला था ना मैंने.
इसके बगैर तो काम ही नहीं है.
क्या थोड़ा सा आइटम है बट लग रहा है कि
ये लो.
बढ़ता ही जा रहा है.
बढ़ता ही जा रहा है, बढ़ता ही जाता है. जब भी ऐसे आप वॉलमार्ट वगैरह आते हो ना तो लगता है कि सिर्फ 1-2 चीज़ें लेंगे, बट इवेंचुअली यू एंड अप टेकिंग अ लॉट. एंड आई एम प्रीटी श्योर यही होने वाला है अभी भी. दीज टू लुक सो क्यूट, मेरी क्यूटीज़. यू नो व्हाट, जब 3 साल पहले मैं यहाँ पे आई थी इनिशियली एंड वेन एवर आई यू नो यूज टू डू ग्रॉसरी, तो आई ऑल्सो कंपेयर प्राइजेस. एंड अभी डैड एंड मम्मा का लिटरली वही हो रहा है कि अच्छा इसका प्राइस इतना है, इसका प्राइस इतना है, तो कंपेयर करके.